Do you have multiple Word files you want to combine into one? Let me show you how to merge them all in just a few simple steps. First, open the Word file where you want to combine all the other documents. Place your cursor at the exact spot where you want the text from the other files to appear. At the top of the screen, click on the Insert tab. Then, in the text group, click the small arrow next to Object. And from the drop-down menu, select Text from File. This will open a window where you can choose the files you want to merge. Navigate to the folder where your files are stored. To select a single file, just click on it. To select multiple files, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click each file you want. If the files are in order, click the first file, hold down the Shift key, and then click the last file to select them all at once. Once you've selected the files, click the Insert button. And just like that, all your documents will be merged into one. And there you have it, a single, organized document ready to go. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.